Hi, welcome to today's demonstration of solving a physics problem through the use of SCLEPs. We will start with the information given in the problem. A woman whose weight is 610 newtons sits on a chair with her feet on the floor and her arms resting on the chair's armrests. The chair weighs 105 newtons. Each armrest exerts an upward force of 25 newtons on the woman's arms. The seat of the chair exerts an upward force of 490 newtons. First question, what force does the floor exert on the woman's feet? We will start off by sketching this scene. Here's the girl and the chair. Now we need a coordinate system. Here is the positive direction for both the x and y axis. Next we need to draw a free body diagram. Here's our free body diagram with all the forces labeled. Now we will write out all the numbers given to us in the problem. Since the woman is sitting at rest, there are no forces in the x direction, and we only have these forces in the y direction. Now that we have our numbers, we can move on to our first equation. Subtracting the force normal on the girl by both the armrests and the force normal on the girl by the chair from the force of weight on the girl by the earth gives us the force of normal on the girl by the floor. Plugging in numbers for these values gives us a final answer of 70 newtons for this question. Now for the second question. What force does the floor exert on the chair? As nothing changes between the two questions, we can skip the first three steps of SCLEPs and start with a free body diagram. Here is our free body diagram for the second question, again with all forces labeled. Now we can move on to the final equation to solve this problem. Adding the force normal on the chair by the girl to the force normal on the chair by both armrests and the force of weight on the chair by the earth, we get the force normal on the chair by the floor. Plugging in numbers for these values, we end up with a final answer of 645 newtons.